How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Performance Unlimited. I'm Mark. You guys have seen me a couple times in a few of the live streams. You've probably seen me more often. I'm usually behind the camera. Enough about me. Got this wonderful Chevy 350 here. You guys have seen lots of our videos. We got quality engines here that make great horsepower all day long. We can custom paint any color. All I got to do is tell us a specific color, give us a paint code. We can customize this engine any way that you want. That's what we're all about here, Performance Unlimited. Meeting the customer's needs, making the engines match to what the customers want and need. If you'd like any one of our particular engines built for you, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Check us out on Facebook or our website, Custom Crate Engines by Performance Unlimited.